and this is the platform of GAS, a mentor that helps you to find the solution of your problems related to various aspects of your life, like education, knowledge, career, personality, health, and lifestyle.
Hi, I am Balmiki. In the previous lecture, we discussed about the distribution of primitive man in all over world. In this lecture, we are going to discuss to the development of farming and pastoralism as a way of life. For several million years, humans lived by hunting wild animals and gathering wild plants. Then, between 10,000 and 4,005 years ago, people in different parts of the world learned to domesticate certain plants and animals. The shift from foraging to farming was a major turning point in human history. The last ice age came to an end about 13,000 years ago, and with that, warmer, better conditions prevailed. As a result, conditions were favorable for the growth of grasses such as wild barley and wheat. The population of certain animal species such as wild sheep, goat, cattle, pig, and donkey increased. Now, relatively large permanent communities occupied such areas for most part of the year. A pressure may have built up to increase the food supply. This may have triggered the process of domestication of certain plants and animals. With the introduction of agriculture and pastoralism, more people began to stay in one place for even a larger period than they had done before. Thus, permanent houses began to be built of mud, mud bricks, and even stone. These are some of the earliest villages known to archaeologists. Farming and pastoralism lead to the introduction of many other changes, such as the making of pots in which to store grain and other produce and to cook food. New kinds of stone tools came into use. Other new tools, such as the plough, were used in agriculture. Gradually, people became familiar with metals such as copper and tin. The wheel, important for both pot making and transportation, came into use. In the next lecture, we will discuss about the making of civilization in Indian subcontinent.